Hi, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how copying works for slice in Golang. So slice is a relatively different concept in Golang compared to other languages, so it can be sometimes tricky to properly know how to manipulate things in slice. So in this video I'm going to show how to effectively and safely copy a slice to another slice. And before I move forward, let me just remind you what a slice actually is in case of Golang. So here you can see an array which has like 6 elements from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So array is straightforward. Array always has a set length beforehand, and slice is basically you can literally slice an array to create a slice. So what it means is that if I slice it in this way, which is shown here, then the slice will have an underlying array, in which case it is the array consisting of 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and the slice saves a pointer to the starting point of that underlying array. Slice has a length, which in this case is 3, and capacity, which basically represents the length of the underlying array starting from the place where the slice starts. So because it stores reference to the location of the array from which the slice starts, so sometimes what happens is that if you are copying around slices and if you don't copy properly, then if you change the copied object, then there is a chance the original slice also gets changed if you don't copy it properly. So in this video I'm going to show a couple of ways for how to properly copy slices, which is basically to create a new slice rather than simply having a different instance of this same slice. So the first way is to basically create a new slice and then use this copy keyword. So in this case I have an original slice which has A, B, C as elements. Then you create a new one and then you use the copy keyword, and if I run this program, both the slices are the same but the address are different, which means I have actually created a new slice. So if I do any changes to this destination slice, the source slice will remain unaffected. The second way is to basically by using the append keyword. So in this case you are still creating a new slice and then use the append keyword and add this nil slice followed by the source slice, and then you use 3 dots here, and that means it will create a new slice. So if I run this program again, I see even though they look the same but their addresses are different, which means their underlying array is different. And what happens if you just use the usual assignment? So here I have this source slice and I have this destination slice, where I'm just doing this usual assignment. And if I run this program, I see both have the same address. So what this means is that if I change anything in this destination slice, the source slice will also get changed, because they are both pointing to the same underlying array. And this can be shown in this program where I'm changing the third element to D, and you can see both the source and destination slices have undergone changes. So these two are the effective ways of copying slice, and always keep in mind that the slice stores a reference to a particular element in the underlying array, and it has the concepts of capacity and length, which are the same in case of an array, but in case of a slice it might be different.